If you want harmony in your relationship, it's essential to remember that emotions and energy play a crucial role. Constant complaints, criticism, or a negative mood can turn you into a source of stress for your partner. This only creates distance between you and does not solve the issues. When a woman constantly remains in a state of dissatisfaction or sadness, it affects her partner, and the relationship gradually loses its warmth and appeal. Instead, try to find joy and fulfillment in your own life, regardless of your partner. Engage in hobbies, develop yourself, and enjoy the moment. When someone is happy on their own, they become a magnet for others. A joyful, active, and passionate woman naturally inspires a man's desire to be near her, care for her, and cherish her. When a man sees that you're happy, he will begin to compete with your sources of joy to become part of your light. Such a man will want to support your interests and find ways to make you even happier. This is a natural reaction of a healthy man, the desire to win and to be a source of happiness for his woman. A relationship between two mature and self-sufficient individuals creates a solid foundation for harmony. If you meet a partner who constantly lives in a state of dissatisfaction, it's a signal to pay attention to their inner state. A partner who is always complaining can become a source of negativity that affects your emotional and physical well-being. It's important to remember that each person must first be in harmony with themselves. Only then does a partnership become not a complement to fill voids, but a union of two whole personalities. In healthy relationships, people support each other, inspire one another, and create mutual joy. So the main recommendation is to start with yourself. Find happiness in each day, take pride in your achievements, and grow as an individual. This approach will make you attractive both to yourself and to your partner.